Prabhupada goes on, thus the essence of all auspicious activities, such as performing yajna, giving in charity, observing brat, and undergoing austerities, is actually included in the Krishna consciousness movement. Now, this is Prabhupada's tika, or very much contemporary and enlightened commentary on the individual words of this verse, which says, Sarva yagya, sarva vratam, tapasaram, danam cheshvara tarpanam. Kashyap Muni is telling to his wife, his Bhadra, his auspicious wife, Aditi, that these acts of charity are pleasing to the Lord. The acts of performing sarva yagya, this palabrata is a yagya, it's the essence of all yagyas. It's a brata, it's the essence of all bratas. And it's an austerity, it's the essence. Tapasaram, it's the essence of austerities. So Prabhupada is saying that in our temples we are doing, all of our ISKCON temples, the members are conducting simultaneously all three of these activities, which Aditi performed millions of years ago. And by performing all three of these activities, we are pleasing the Lord, Sri Krishna and Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Sarva yagya, sarva vrata tapasaram, because we're doing the sacrifice of Nam Yagya, Yagya Sankirtana prayer, because in Kali Yuga we should perform the Sankirtan Yagya. One should follow this process continuously. And we're prperforming the supreme tapasya. Very wonderful verse, 8th canto, chapter 16, verse 60. Prabhupada compares the Palabrata to ISKCON, Nam Sankirtan, Puja, and Prasad distribution.